Today I will travel from Seoul Station to Incheon International Airport Station using Subway Line 8, Subway Line 9, and the Airport Express. First, I will board Subway Line 8 at Seoul Station and go in the direction of Moran Station. The first subway stop is Sokchon Station. Second, transfer at Sokchon Station from Subway Line 8 to Subway Line 9, going in the direction of Gaehwa Station. Ride Subway Line 9 to Gimpo International Airport Station and transfer to the Airport Express there. Third, go in the direction of Incheon International Airport until you reach your destination. According to Google Maps, the total time is 1 hour and 41 minutes from Seoul Station to International Airport Station. In order to ride the Seoul subway system, you will need a T-Money Smart Card. The T-Money Smart Card can also be used to pay for bus fare, taxi fare, and the Airport Express. These cards can be purchased at vending machines at subway stations and convenience stores that display a T-Money card logo. The T-Money card that you see is a Korea tour card created exclusively for foreign visitors. The card offers discounts for retail, food, and performances. The cost is 4,000 won at the subway station vending machine. You will need to load the card with value after purchasing it. The Korea Tour card comes in a box with a subway system map. The map displays the subway lines and the endpoints of the subway line so that you will know in which direction to take the subway. These 3 vending machines will be in every Seoul subway station. The left vending machine dispenses T-Money Smart Cards. The middle machine recharges existing T-Money Smart Cards with cash or credit. The right machine dispenses 500 won when returning a single journey ticket. The T-Money Card vending machine dispenses T-Money cards. You can choose the card and then make the payment with either cash or credit. You can choose between 4 languages and it's really easy to use. This vending machine loads value onto existing T-Money Smart Cards. Just place your card in the tray, add either cash or credit, and wait for the machine to add the value to your card. This is exit 3 at Seoul Station. Most subway stations will have this facade on street level. As soon as you enter into the subway system, signs will help you navigate where to go to catch the correct subway train. Please keep in mind that subway lines are numbered and color-coded. You will see line 2 in green and line 8 in pink. Both subway line 2 and line 8 can be accessed from the Seoul Station. The ending station is also important in knowing the direction in which to travel. In this case, I want to take Subway Line 8 in the direction of Moran Station, which is the southernmost station on Subway Line 8. This television monitor indicates when the next train will come, 4 minutes from now. Above the gates where passengers embark and disembark from the train, a yellow arrow indicator shows the direction in which the train is heading to. In this case, Sokchon Station. Inside each subway car, just above the door, you'll see a route map. And highlighted is the station that the train is currently at. So please take a look at that as you're traveling on the subway train. There are two images that I look for at a subway station. The first is a satellite image of the numbered and color-coded subway routes at that station. And the second is a 3D image of the subway station, which is very helpful in navigating the station. The 3D image was of Sokchon Station, and from Sokchon Station I was trying to navigate to subway line 9 and get on board the train that is heading in the direction of Gaehwa, the endpoint to subway line 9. So just follow the signs, and eventually it led to the train tracks, and I waited for the train, and I boarded it when it came. So, in summary, to navigate the Seoul subway system, you just need to know three things. You need to know the subway line number, the subway line color, and in which direction you want to go to. And that's about it.